What is up, YouTube? Big Boss X 007. Another video for you guys. We're bringing box number 2 of the premium Pikachu VMax statue, along with 2 additional. I randomly found these today because I've been saying them for a little bit now. I've been finding a lot of these blister packs everywhere. We have 2 Darkness Ablaze blister packs, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe on the video, hit that bell to know when the next video goes up, and let's see what we got here. Now, I'm not gonna go through the statue again because I did that in another video. I think I'm just gonna go straight for the goods. I'm gonna go straight for... Yeah. Let me get my Pikachu V out of here. And Pikachu VMax. I'll sleeve those up in a sec. There goes all my packs. Dropping like flies. Alright, we have packs. We'll just put this inside and leave the statue in now. I might ship that to a friend for Christmas. It's a good idea, right? I have... Here we go. So I believe this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 celebration. Hopefully we get the last 2 cards that we need for our set. And then I'm missing another pack that fell. Where did it go? It did not want to be opened today. It should be 3 packs. Oh, well. Oh, there you go. Darkness Ablaze. So we have 3 Darkness Ablaze. So let's just start off with Darkness Ablaze. Well, again, let me penny these babies up. I don't know if I'll get these graded. I don't know how much. This center is off. And then, yeah, ultra rares. Let's put those to the side for now. Let's go with the ones I got off the shelf. I got these at Target. I was actually really surprised they had well, I'm surprised there's so much extra Darkness Ablaze. I know people are still trying to get that Charizard. But I am. I don't know if people are trying to get it, but I am. We're gonna do Fire Energy. You gotta manifest it, you know? Oh my! Did I mess that up? Holy crap! It felt like I messed it up, but I wasn't sure. I messed it up. Oh my gosh. Well, definitely getting that graded. Swana. Wow. Wow. Ha! What a good mess up. Maybe I should go back to Target and get some more. Let's see here. Pack number 2, Darkness Ablaze. I didn't pick these out or anything. I just literally grabbed them off the top of the shelf. I was like, Charizard. I like Charizard. Let me use this one. Let's do okay, what did I say last time? Fire Energy? Oh, there was Fire Energy, so pass on back. Fighting Energy this time. Parasect. As soon as my camera focuses, there you go. Parasect, Munch, Cape of Toughness, Skitty, Rowlet, Wishy-Washy, Q-Fant, Sinistee, and a Flygon. That's definitely going on my energy page in my book. We have another Darkness Ablaze. Do fire. Let's do water energy. Leaf. Familiar Bell. Rose Tower. Steenie, Dino, Pan Sear. You know, when you put your steak in the pan, you have to let that pan sear. Get that pan sear. Bad joke. Yes, I know. Murray, Snubble, Tauros, Draculzolts, and Delcatty. I know my jokes are bad. That's why I tell them. Chilling Rain. Let's see what we get out of here. Maybe I get another Galarian. Galarian, let's go for Galarian Zapdos. Alternate art is what I'm going to call. Oh my god. That's what I'm going to call today. Packs feel kind of heavy. Oh. Let's say Dark Energy. Electric. Porygon 2, Reboot. Scrolls, Castform, Ladybug, Golett, Cloppus, Chestplate, and oh my gosh, a rainbow! Yo, something's in the water today. That's 2 great pulls. And what? 4 packs? Holy crap. 4 pulls. 2 good pulls and 4 packs. The ratio is pretty good today, y'all. Ratio is amazing. I like Chilling Rain. I think I've been getting my best pulls lately from Chilling Rain. Vivid Voltage, looking for that Chonkachu. Let's see what we get here. Oh shoot. Vivid Voltage, looking for that Chonkachu. Let's go Fighting Energy. Leaf. I was gonna say Leaf too. Hitmon, top. Got my Pharisee, Joltik, Sanda, C-Dot, Peckby. Nothing. Alright. Oh, dang, that was really quick. Okay, we have celebrations. 2 Pokemon, Rayquaza and Luxray. You guys have been avoiding me. I'm running out of celebrations, I'm not gonna lie. I have not much left. I have not much celebrations left. And we got the Zamazenta. Birthday Pikachu. I've been sending those out to friends. Oh, double good pull. Rocket Zapdos and a Surfing Pikachu. Now again, these are cards I already have for my collection. I have multiples of these cards. I'm looking for that Rayquaza though. Oh, oops. Well, I got nothing there. That was kind of obvious. So I've messed up the pull. We have 4 packs left. Nope. 3 packs left. Come on, Rayquaza. I think Luxray is actually the harder pull. I've only seen 1 person pull Luxray. Actually, no, 2 people pull Luxray. And that was my IRL friend. Shout out to Gmo. And I think I saw Leonhardt pull it. 2 packs left. Let's see what we get here. Nothing. 1 pack remaining for today. Slap it down, rub it. Even kiss it. See what last pack magic we got here. Probably shouldn't have kissed it with a Corona going around. Ah, nothing. We got the Zamazenta. Wow. But we did get some good pulls. I'm not mad at all. But alright guys, that was the video for today. Again, I have some more content coming. I probably have like 2 or 3 more videos after this one until we get Brilliant Stars coming out. But until next time guys, I believe that's it for today. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe guys. Hit the bell. Peace.